you know that kha, ghain, and qaf are all heavy letters because we learned that, right? They're one of the 7 heavy letters. And I said that 3 of them have some special rules whenever they have kasra or when they have sukoon and are preceded by a letter with kasra. In those 2 instances, we say them pretty much lightly, right? So we change up that heaviness that normally would be attributed to that letter. All right. And so when they have kasra, kha becomes khi, right? It's not hui, it's not hui, right? But it's khi, all right? Ghain is similar. It's not ghui, but instead it's ghi, and not ghui. But we're smiling the whole time we're saying it. Ghi. So khi, ghi. And finally, qaf is qi, not qui, but instead it's qi. So khi, ghi, qi. And that's how we say that when it has kasra. So it's kha, khi, khu, not kha, hui, khu. That's wrong. Kha, khi, khu. Gha, ghi, ghu, instead of gha, ghui, ghu. That's wrong. Gha, ghi, ghu. And then it's qa, qi, qu, instead of qa, qui, qu. That is incorrect. Qa, qi, qu. That's correct. All right. So we're going to say kha, khi, or we'll say khi, ghi, qi. Let's do that. All right. Who's going to go first? Bismillah. Now, the bottom. Notice I have kha with sukoon and ghain with sukoon. So instead of ikh, it's actually going to be ikh, ikhraja, ikhraja, ikh. And then with ghain, it's not ill, but it's ir. Man igtarafa, man igtarafa, not man igtarafa. من اغترف غرفة بيده من اغترف إخراجا All right.
If you benefited from this video, please be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and don't forget to follow us on our other social media platforms.